Anengana igoro yokurwania amariogo yogotindia asokumanywa hona ime yechinsemo chia bunge ya Kitutu cha South county ya Kisii nigo omukagirwa oyo mobubonia bwenya soranya kwa wakobekwa byara ase chinsemecho ase ya Nyakoba geko manyekana muna oyu barengenere niga Nyakoba gagochia bishuko omorikito diponi asanya niga kastinsemecho negotwaligandia roboti rokobwatia
obutumeki bwa mariogo yogotindia ngati ya bintu biri bigendete komenta ebikoro by'obusaria anene imase ebinyoro abanyanyimbo imeye county ya Kisii nigo bagendererete kurwania esegi obutumeki bwa mariogo yogotindia nabo igo ebinyugwa bitancheiri kinga kimambia ya rero babeka byara omukagerwa bwenyasore noyonde kominchoria kobeka bichuko.
My name is Musa Nimamayo Mari. I'm a sub-county police commander at Kisii Central. Last night at about 9 p.m. Our officers received information about drugs which had been stored in a residential place, a private residential house within Nyamatari. The officers went ahead and laid trap, and in the course of their duty, they intercepted, just next to the house, they intercepted one motorcycle rider that was coming out of the residential house that information they had gotten into.
Obunyabyo bwigani ngo bwareta amatunda yokobeka byara ebitundo wetania 30 binyasore.
About 10 carrier bags. In our investigation, we found that the total brooms that we found out of the stored carrier bags were about 361 brooms.
Bakorawa nomu sub-county police commander Kisii Central Aseleta Musa nigo akwanira gati ya mabe ari akoretwo n'obutumeki bwa mariogo aya.
And the product gets into the market where the youth are the major consumers. And that is a cause of our distraction that is causing to our youth, who are we consider to be the future leaders in this country.
Chingaki okoligereria kurwa sobware enyombe yegani gekageire komenywa n'abantu kurindekero bwikire ime nigeko bamamincha chingaki okonyoranga n'obonchururi oboiga bogendererete nokorolekana nonya goika nase chingoko chira somo choyoiga nigo ekageire nga nigo chigendererete gutumeka nene chintetere ichi chikorwa korwa ase bimerie ebi. Okobolia no gokurera gocha sebalia bagokora obonchurire bonga bunobo.
It's better that those involved should get into other better businesses than the businesses that are destroying our own young generation.
Ege kosie kege ky'abanyanyimbo nigo barireira yogo chikogendera gokora omusako nabwo gokorwania anene ebinyugwe biga bitancheiri ebyo byarolekanire gosiria ekegorie geke.
As police officers, we have is a major concern, and out of information that we are getting about those involved and where it is stored, how it is transported, we are still out to get all those who are involved in the trade.
Imeye bunge ya Kitutu cha South county ya Kisii letera na igongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.